Hi and welcome back to our channel. This video will show you how to buy adax on ExMarkets. So let's begin. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can open an ExMarkets account, the account setup process, and how to buy adax on ExMarkets. So watch this video till the end to better understand the process. Starting with a small introduction of ExMarkets. ExMarkets is a crypto exchange that offers its users stable, secure, and convenient tools for managing their portfolios. In order to ensure that deposits are secure, ExMarkets uses a cold wallet until funds are withdrawn. Internal orders provide liquidity and are backed up by several other exchanges and then aggregated and adjusted by coinstruction liquidity framework. Finally, ExMarkets allows their users to convert ERC-777 and ERC-20 tokens to Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT along with other popular crypto assets. To start trading on ExMarkets, first you need an account. Click on the register button on the top right corner and you will be redirected to the sign up page. On ExMarkets, you can complete the sign up process in just 3 steps. This is your first step. Here you need to enter your email address and a password. Tick the terms and conditions and anti-spam policy box and finally click on the register an account button. In the second step, a two-factor authentication code that is called a PIN will be sent to your email address. Go to your email, copy that PIN and enter it here in the box. Right after entering the PIN, you will be automatically logged in. And lastly, in the third step, you will be asked what you want to do first. You will have two options here, continue to trading and continue to member area. Click on Continue to the Member Area button. You will be redirected to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you will see the balance details section on the top of the page. Here you will see your account balance in the cryptocurrency and the percentage holding between cryptocurrencies. Here you will see the estimated value in dollar, which will depend on your holding of cryptocurrencies. In the right sidebar, you will see the Launchpad section. Click on View All to see all the ongoing Launchpad. Scroll down and you will see the Top Gainers section. It shows the top gainer cryptos with the columns of name, price, 24-hour change, overview with trading graph, and the trade button. Scroll more and you will see the available assets section. Here you can use this search bar to find any specific asset. Use this box to hide or unhide the empty wallets. In this assets section, you will see the columns of ticker, which shows the crypto's symbol. The name column shows the name of the cryptocurrency. The balance column shows the available balance in your account. The on orders column shows the amount that is being used in the order placement. And the last one is the total balance column, which shows the total available balance in your account. Along with all these columns, you will see the withdraw and the deposit buttons. Use the withdraw button to withdraw the cryptocurrency from your available assets to any other wallets. Use the deposit button to make a deposit in the ExMarkets account from any other wallets, which will be added to your assets portfolio. Scroll down to see a list of all the available assets of cryptocurrencies. Below the available assets section, you will see the open orders section. This section will show you all the orders that you have placed in ExMarkets and that are confirmed, but they are not yet executed. Once your order is executed, it will be removed from here and the executed order will change your asset value depending on whether you have placed a sell order or a buy order. Next to the open orders section, you will see the activity logs section. Here you can find all the recent activity of your account along with the date and time, which includes your login, order placement history, and others. And in the last, you will see the transaction history and the trade history sections. Now let's see how you can buy adax on ExMarkets. Click on the trading button on the top of the page. You will be taken to the trading platform of the cryptocurrency. If the trading platform is showing any other cryptocurrency data, then you need to change it to adax. And to do so, in the top of the right sidebar, you can see some cryptos. Click on ADA, which is the symbol of ADAX. Now, from the right sidebar, select the pairs for ADA with the second currency. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or any other. Click on the price column of the preferred pair. Now the trading platform will show you the ADAX data. Here you can see ADAX paired with the second currency. Next to this, you can see the trading data of the last price, daily change, today's open rate, 24-hour volume, days low and days high. Below you will see its trading graph according to time and price. Hover your mouse on the graph to see its trading price according to its date and time. The red lines on the graph indicate the downward trend, which means that the price has decreased at that time. And the green lines indicate the upward trend, which means that the price has increased at that time. Next to the trading graph, you can see the order book section. Here you can see the orders that are placed by other users along with its price, amount, and the total price. The upper section will show the sell orders. And if you hover your mouse on them, you will see it is red in color. The lower section shows the buy orders. Hover your mouse in them and you can see that it is green in color. On the top of the page, you will see the Quick Buy ADA and Quick Sell ADA buttons. Use these for quick trading. You don't have to enter any price, just select the percentage and click on the Quick Buy or Quick Sell buttons. If you want to place your order according to your price, then scroll down the page and in the right side, you will find the Buy and Sell section. Here you will see two tabs, Limit Price and Market Price. The limit price option is used to buy or sell the cryptos according to your set price. When the price of the crypto will reach the target you set, then your order will get automatically executed. Here you will see the available balance in your account for both the selected currencies. Here enter the quantity that you want to buy. Here enter the price at which you want to buy. Enter the total in this box and then click on the Buy ADA button. If you want to buy ADAX on the current market price, click on the Market Price tab. Here you only have to enter the quantity that you want to buy. The price will automatically be set according to the current trading price. And then click on the Buy ADA button. And with this, we have demonstrated for you a tutorial on how to buy ADAX on ExMarkets, which completes this video. We hope it helped you understand the process thoroughly. Let us know your thoughts and video topic suggestions in the comments below. Stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel for more informative videos.